Today we're laying a submarine cable across Loch Broom, and we're laying from the Ullapool side over to Altnaharry. This is part of the wider Altby-Ullapool project and will bring value to the community by strengthening the network. There's a number of mitigations that we have to work with when we lay the cable in terms of avoiding sensitive areas. It's a marine protected area in Loch Broom, so we need to ensure that we're not damaging the environment as part of the works. To plan the project, we have to use remotely operated vehicles off survey vessels that map the seabed and check for any environmental features, for any boulders, for anything that we need to avoid as part of the route design. That survey is then fed into our design and ultimately leads to where we position the cable as we lay across Loch Broom.